Hi everybody, today I'm in a little bit of a darker setting because I want to show you this nice light bulb that I just got. It comes from Sengled and it's like this, and you can buy one or you can buy a set, and the great thing about it is that you can combine them all together if you have several of them, and you can control them from either Alexa or an app that you download. Now right now it's set at white, but you can choose not only how the color temperature, if you wanted, for example, a little bit warmer, 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 and even warmer color. Now, but you can also set up what colors you want. You can set it up like that. Now, you can also program it in case that you want to set it up for example, party mode. And so you can control it either through here or through Alexa, and you say, hey, Alexa, set it up for party mode. And then it will start just changing, all the colors as you want it. And then again, if you wanted to just leave it at white, you just leave it at white. I think it's pretty good. Again, if you need the bright color, again, but if you are, cozy in a room and you just want a little there, a little bit brighter, or a mood setting or something like that, depending on what you want. And I was thinking on for something that is very useful. For example, my fan doesn't come with a dimmer, so I can't dim the lights on my fan. Now, by changing the light bulbs, then I can either set it on white, and then I can also send it, dim it down, and see, I can dim it at different percentages. So that's an alternative for some of us who again cannot dim some light. We can do this aside from party mode. So again, and you can just tell it, hey Alexa, turn it into red, and it would turn it into red. You can also program it so that it shuts off at a certain time. You can also just say again, Alexa, turn it off. All in all, I find them really cool. Again, you can just have one. You can have three, four, five, six, 10 of them. They all connect to a barcode that you scan, and then they all work simultaneously. Really happy. I'm gonna get a few more for my fans that I can dim, and I hope that you guys find it as useful as mood setting as I am.